Ready? Okay, thank you my student. Today I discuss tense. All our students know tense is a very important for every student because tense need for any grammatical. So we discuss tense. Every student know there are three kinds of tense. Okay? টেন্স প্রধানত তিন প্রকার, তবে প্রতিটি টেন্সকে আবার চার ভাগে ভাগ করা হয়েছে। টোটাল টেন্স there are 12 kinds of total tense. So we know, every student know tense of structure. If we know tense of structure, we have no problem teaching grammatical. So every student for very important structure. So all our students know present indefinite. So we learn structure of present indefinite. Present indefinite structure, we know that. At first we learn by heart. Subject plus verb 1 plus object plus extension. Always time we remember. Present indefinite structure is subject plus verb, present form or verb 1 plus extension, বাক্যাংশ. At next we know present continuous. This is very important. Always time we remember it. Present continuous structure is very important for learning any grammatical position. So we know that structure subject plus helping verb or auxiliary verb and is are plus verb ing from plus object plus extension. So all our students know. Structure is present continuous. So subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus verb ing plus object plus extension. But we know that this tense sum of verb is not present continuous tense. Sometimes sum of verb. So next we are learning present perfect. So present perfect structure is subject plus have oblique has plus verb 3. That means verb A past participle form plus object plus extension. We learn structure of present perfect tense. This is very important. This is very important. And we learn structure subject plus have oblique has, that means auxiliary verb, and verb 3, that means verb A past participle form, object, that means কর্ম, plus extension, বাক্যাংশ. So every student learn it. And next we are going to present perfect continuous tense. This is very important tense. So every student know the present perfect continuous and its structure. This structure is subject plus have been oblique has been plus verb ing plus object plus extension. And these tense are very important. This tense use point of time and period of time. So all our students know what is period of time and what is point of time. All our students know point of time, that means নির্দিষ্ট সময়. Period of time, that means ব্যাপক সময়. When we use the sentence point of time, we use since. S-I-N-C. This is point of time. And when we use the sentence present perfect continuous, period of time. Period of time we use for. So we learn it, the tense of structure present perfect continuous tense. So its structure is subject plus helping verb or সাহায্যকারী verb have been oblique has been plus noun verb এর সাথে ing plus object plus extension, but this tense use of point of time. So when the tense use of point of time, we use since, and when the use of period of time, we use for. We know the tense past indefinite. So we know the structure past indefinite. Structure subject plus verb to, that means verb past form, object plus extension. And next we know the tense past continuous. So we know the structure subject plus helping verb or auxiliary verb, was of the choir plus verb ing plus object plus extension. So next we know the tense past perfect. Past perfect tense is very important. So we know the structure past perfect, subject plus head, helping verb or সাহায্যকারী verb, and next object plus extension. And next we are going to know the past perfect continuous. This is very important. So we know the structure subject plus has been plus verb এর সাথে ing অর্থাৎ verb plus ing plus object plus extension. So always time we remember it. Structure is very important for every tense. Okay. Next we are going to tense of structure future indefinite. So we know that structure of future indefinite subject plus auxiliary verb or helping verb, shall oblique will plus verb one plus object plus extension. This is very important. So we learn tense of structure future indefinite. So we know tense of structure future indefinite subject plus shall oblique will plus verb one, that means verb present form plus object plus extension. And next we are going to discuss about the tense future continuous. So we know the tense of structure future continuous. The structure subject plus shall be oblique will be plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object plus extension. So this is very important. And we know that tense of structure future continuous. So subject plus shall be oblique will be plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object plus extension. Extension means বাকি অংশ. So we are going to next tense future perfect. This is very important. So we know the tense of structure future perfect. So we know the structure subject plus shall have oblique will have plus verb 3 plus object plus extension. We know that subject plus shall have oblique will have plus verb 3, that means verb past participle form plus object plus extension. And next we are going to discuss about the tense future perfect continuous tense. This is the tense of last tense. So we know the structure subject plus shall have been oblique will have been plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object plus extension. So all the students listen carefully, and all the students this structure learn by heart. We know all the tense structure learn by heart. Always time we remember it. At first we know the present indefinite subject plus verb present form plus object plus extension. And next we are going to discuss about the tense of structure present continuous. So present continuous tense structure is subject plus helping verb or auxiliary verb, verb plus noun verb ing plus object plus extension. And next we are going to discuss about another tense present perfect. So we know the structure present perfect subject plus have oblique has plus noun verb 3, that means verb past participle form plus object plus extension. And we know the Next tense, we are going to discuss about the tense of structure present perfect continuous. So this tense structure is subject plus have been object has been plus verb with ing plus object plus extension. And next we are going to discuss about the another tense past indefinite. So this tense is very important. So we know the tense of structure subject plus verb to, that means verb past from plus object plus extension. And next we are to discuss about the tense present perfect tense, and that means the tense auxiliary verb was oblique where plus moon verb with ing plus object plus extension. And next we are going to the tense of structure past perfect. So we know the structure past perfect subject plus had plus moon verb with ing plus object plus extension. And next we are going to the tense of structure past perfect continuous. The structure is subject plus have been plus moon verb with ing plus object plus extension. Next we are going to know the tense of structure future indefinite. So we know the structure future indefinite subject plus shall oblique will plus verb 1 plus object plus extension. Verb 1 that means verb present form. So we are going to discuss about the tense of structure future continuous. So we know the structure future continuous subject plus shall be oblique will be plus moon verb with ing plus object plus extension. And next we are going to discuss about the tense of structure future perfect. So we know the tense of structure future perfect subject plus shall have oblique will have plus verb 3 plus object plus extension. Verb 3 that means verb past participle form. And we know the last tense of structure future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense structure is subject plus shall have been will have been plus moon verb with ing plus object plus extension. So all our students know tense structure is very important for every student. So we know the tense of structure. Okay, thank you. See to you tomorrow. Okay.